Are you looking for the best Ancel scanner? In this video we will break down top 5 best Ancel scanner on the market this year. Based on performance and situations they will be used in, we will have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. If you want to see stay up to date technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start the video. Number 5. Brand name, Ancel, model number, AD530. Ancel AD530 is the best OBD2 tool in its class. It's the most popular, user-friendly choice for quickly troubleshooting check engine warnings on the most brand vehicles. It supports all OBD2 test modes. Featuring the unique key design, colorful screen and real-time battery voltage monitoring graph, it is an ultimate diagnosis engine scanner. Ancel AD530 OBD2 vehicle scanner is designed for both professional mechanics and home use customers. It supports full OBD modes and it has a special battery tester function that allows you to monitor the real-time battery status. Powered by a fast STM32 chip and a bright 2.8-inch color screen. It designs shortcut keys for instant code definitions and emissions readiness checks. This tool can show certain vehicle elements in real time to monitor your vehicle status and can be a single record of a certain set of operating conditions. A must-have code reader for car enthusiasts, professional mechanics, or anyone who wants to keep their vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. Free lifetime software updates to fix latest bugs or add new settings. Number 4. Brand name, Ancel, model number, AD610+. The Ancel AD610+ OBD2 scanner is a comprehensive diagnostic tool that supports all systems in your vehicle. It can scan engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, SAS and more, helping you quickly and easily identify any issues. It reads and clears DTCs, turns off MIL, retrieves ECU information and more, saving you time and money on repairs. The AD610+ features a user-friendly interface with a large backlit LCD screen, intuitive menu navigation and multilingual support. It's easy to operate even for beginners, making it a great choice for DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike. Save a lot of time and money by diagnosing engine problems and resetting engine check light. It can not only perform full OBD2 modes, such as read codes, clear codes, view freeze frames, live data streams, IM testing, O2 sensor testing, onboard monitor testing, retrieve vehicle identification number and DTC lookup. Automatic and manual retrieval from VIN allows you to quickly learn about your vehicle's parameters. User-friendly interface with clear instructions, making diagnostics easy even for beginners. Fast scanning speed enables quick identification of issues, saving time during vehicle maintenance. Number 3. Brand name, Ancel, model number, VD500. This OBD2 scanner is designed to provide comprehensive diagnostics for your car and ensure optimal vehicle performance over time. The Ancel VD500 OBD2 diagnostic handheld scanner. This scanner reads the most common systems, removes error codes and has the ability to read the car live. Designed for DIYers, mechanics and dealerships, the Ancel VD500 scan tool delivers professional-grade diagnostics fit for VW, Skoda, Seat and Audi vehicles. Get accurate, easy-to-use solutions for your repair needs. Number 2. Brand name, Ancel, model number, VD700. VD700 code reader via 2.8-inch screen, 2 colors UI theme and 11 display languages to display test results. Lifetime free software updates and special feedback function available to fix the latest bugs or add new parameters. The Ancel VD700 offers comprehensive maintenance functions, including throttle position adaptation, brake pad reset, TPMS reset, steering angle learning, oil service reset, injector learning, and battery registration, etc. Equipped with a clear and intuitive user interface, the Ancel VD700 enables users of all skill levels to navigate smoothly. Quick access hotkeys ensure efficient diagnostics. The Ancel VD700 boasts extensive compatibility with most OBD2 compliant vehicles. both domestic and imported, making it a versatile tool for automotive enthusiasts and professionals. Equipped with battery registration and EPB reset functions, the VDE700 provides essential capabilities that empower users to manage critical vehicle systems effectively without needing a professional. Number 1. Brand name, Ancel, model number, BZ700. Ancel BZ700 scanner for car has ergonomic design and ruggedly built are for both shop and road tests. Perfect for allowing diagnostic tests inside or outside of the car, and the clear menu makes it easy to operate. The small size design ensures that the owner can operate it with one hand. 2.8-inch LCD screen can clearly display the diagnostic data. The built-in DTC search function provides you with professional fault code interpretation to help you understand the cause of your problem. Ancel BZ700 automotive diagnostic tool features with all advanced functions that help you reset parameters after repair and maintenance, such as control service interval reset, EPB service, ABS bleed, battery registration, oil reset service, etc. Ancel BZ700 OBD2 scanner can automatically identify vehicle information for Mercedes-Benz, avoiding tedious manual operation. The fault system will be displayed in red font, which can quickly identify and remove the fault. Easy to understand operating tips. Comprehensive data stream can classify the data stream, let you more intuitive view. Data record, playback, supports DTC lookup library, snapshot graphing. Ancel BZ700 scanner for car has ergonomic design and ruggedly built are for both shop and road tests.